Welcome to our insightful video, Rebuilding Paradise, How Locals Are Reviving Post-Disaster Destinations. This heartening narrative sheds light on the resilience of communities as they rise from the ashes of disaster. Watch as locals tap into their heritage, employ innovative rebuilding techniques, and harness the power of technology to restore their homes to their former glory. Join us in exploring compelling stories of recovery, resurgence, and transformation, fueled by communal spirit and global aid. 1. The resilience of communities after disaster. In the face of adversity, communities often reveal a remarkable level of resilience and determination. When a natural disaster strikes, the aftermath can devastate a region, turning vibrant communities into heartbreaking images of destruction. However, history has shown that the human spirit is unyielding, and nowhere is this more evident than in the efforts of locals striving to revive their homes. Imagine a phoenix rising from the ashes. That's the picture of what these communities endeavor to achieve. While the immediate aftermath may be somber, the subsequent efforts to rebuild often breathe life back into these shattered areas, offering not just hope, but a future. 2. Harnessing local traditions. In the rebuilding process, many communities turn to their roots, utilizing age-old traditions and practices. These cultural techniques are not only cost-effective, but also resonate deeply with the locals, instilling a sense of pride and ownership over the restoration process. Think of a painter using familiar brushes and colors. That's how these communities embrace their traditions. In many parts of the world, ancient building methods are making a comeback, providing sustainable solutions that are better suited to the local environment. By combining modern technology with traditional methods, towns and cities re-establish their identity and ensure a continuity of their rich cultural heritage. 3. Efforts in tourism recovery. Tourism is the lifeblood for many regions, and its recovery is paramount to the economic revival of post-disaster areas. Local businesses, from quaint bed and breakfasts to bustling marketplace stalls, play foundational roles in this renaissance. Visualize turning on light switches throughout a darkened town, one by one. That's similar to how these businesses reignite economic activity. By promoting unique and authentic experiences, these destinations lure back travelers eager to explore and contribute. The harmony of organic growth and strategic marketing fuels a renewed interest, rendering these places centers of exciting adventures once more. 4. Community-led initiatives and collaborations. Locals often band together, forming partnerships and joint projects to rebuild their environments, showcasing the power of collective effort. Community gardens, charity drives, and volunteer organizations become hotspots of activity, embodying a spirit of collaboration. It's akin to a chorus singing in harmony, where each voice, no matter how small, contributes to the wondrous whole. Furthermore, these collaborations often attract external support, multiplying the effects of their efforts. Through these hands-on initiatives, communities begin to build frameworks that foster growth and resilience. 5. Innovative rebuilding techniques. Across the globe, innovative rebuilding techniques are changing the landscape of post-disaster recovery. Eco-friendly designs, modular homes, and adaptive architecture emerge as leaders in the race to restore and enhance affected areas. Imagine a puzzle where each piece is crafted not just to fit, but to thrive amidst ever-evolving challenges. By embracing forward-thinking techniques, these regions create buildings that serve as an example for the future, highlighting sustainability, adaptability, and efficiency as cornerstones of a brighter tomorrow. 6. The role of technology and social media technology is a vital tool in supporting rebuilding efforts, offering ways to connect communities and resources like never before. From crowdfunding campaigns that gather global support to apps that track volunteers, the digital age provides pathways previously unimaginable. Picture a spider web stretching infinitely, linking people to places in need. Additionally, social media serves as both a platform to share impactful stories and a medium through which tourists can be invited back. It brings awareness and encourages assistance from across the world, strengthening the bonds between those who seek to help and those in need of healing. 7. Government and global support. Local governments and international organizations play essential roles in regenerating post-disaster areas, providing critical funding and resources. Their involvement often ensures that rebuilding is systematic and well-planned, balancing the urgency of the situation with long-term foresight. Envision a well-oiled machine where each cog is regularly turning in perfect sync. These authorities can facilitate efficient recovery processes by integrating various stakeholders, from grassroots organizations to multinational contributors. Through thoughtful coordination, they lay the groundwork for future prevention and protection. 8. Inspiring stories of transformation. Numerous inspiring stories emerge from communities that have successfully revived themselves after devastation, acting as guiding beacons for those currently on their journey to recovery. These narratives reflect how perseverance and hard work bear fruit, often resulting in a transformed landscape enriched with new opportunities. It's like witnessing a garden blossoming after a long winter. By sharing these success stories, they not only motivate others, but also promote a culture of resilience and unity. These tales become testimonials of strength, hope, and the boundless possibilities when a community comes together to rebuild its paradise.